Ever thought about how to discuss ideas effectively in IELTS Speaking Part 3? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to master discussion and ace Part 3 of the IELTS Speaking test. Let's get started. Hello again, IELTS learners. In this video, we're going to be focusing on mastering discussion in IELTS Speaking Part 3. I'm going to share with you some tips, strategies, and examples to help you excel in this crucial part of the test. So let's get into it. First, let me just give you a quick overview of this section if you're not familiar. So in IELTS Speaking Part 3, you'll be asked to engage in a discussion with the examiner on a topic related to the cue card from Part 2. This section lasts for about 4 to 5 minutes and is designed to assess your ability to express and justify opinions, analyze, discuss, and speculate about issues. To excel in this part of the test, you need to 1. Understand the question. 2. Organize your thoughts. 3. Use a range of vocabulary and grammar structures. 4. Speak fluently and coherently. And 5. Engage in the discussion naturally. So let me give you some tips and strategies to help you in this part of the test. Tip 1. Understand the question. First, make sure you understand the question. Listen carefully to the examiner and ask for clarification if needed. Remember, it's better to ask for clarification than to answer a question you don't understand. Tip 2. Organize your thoughts. Before answering, take a moment to organize your thoughts. You can use phrases like, "That's an interesting question," or "Let me think for a moment," to give yourself time to think. Tip 3. Use a range of vocabulary and grammar structures. So, show off your language skills by using a variety of vocabulary and grammar structures. This will demonstrate your ability to express yourself clearly and accurately. Tip 4. Speak fluently and coherently. Aim for fluency and coherence in your speech and avoid long pauses. Try to connect your ideas logically using linking words and phrases. We can start off simple with firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, or we could use other linkers and connectors like additionally, also, furthermore, to add to that, moreover, and so on. Tip 5. Engage in discussion naturally. Lastly, engage in the discussion as naturally as possible. Show interest in the topic and respond to the examiner's questions and comments. So let's have a look at an example discussion for IELTS Speaking Part 3. We'll use the topic, the influence of technology on communication. The examiner might ask something like, "Do you think technology has improved the way people communicate?" A good response could be, "That's an interesting question. In my opinion, technology has both improved and hindered the way people communicate. On one hand, it has made it easier for people to stay in touch with friends and family, regardless of distance. Social media platforms and messaging apps have revolutionized the way we share information and experiences. On the other hand, the reliance on technology has led to a decline in face-to-face communication, which can negatively impact our social skills and emotional intelligence. Overall, I believe that technology has its pros and cons when it comes to communication." So notice how the student organized their thoughts, used a range of vocabulary and grammar structures, spoke fluently and coherently, and engaged in the discussion naturally. So that is it for today's short video on mastering discussion in IELTS Speaking Part 3. Remember to practice these tips and strategies to improve your performance in this crucial part of the test. If you would like help, assistance, guidance, and expert knowledge on navigating the IELTS speaking test, don't forget to check the description for links to our Udemy course, or you can also attend our one-on-one intensive expert IELTS success program, where you can work directly with Daniel and Claudia, get feedback, advice, attend live classes, and improve your skills even more. Just check for the links in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.